Hello student, today we are going to make wax crayon painting. Material is A4 white sheet, ball pen and yellow, red, dark blue, black wax crayon color. Apply the yellow color. So yellow color is complete. Now apply the red color on it. Completed. Now apply the blue color on it. Now blue color is complete. At last apply the black color on it. Now I have applied all the four colors on the sheet. Now I will make landscape by ball pen. The ball pen should not be open. Draw the tree on the land. Draw the heart. Draw the stone and plant. Make the boat in the river. Make the designs on the boat. Make some flowers. Make some water waves. Draw the sun and birds on the sky. Now do some sketching in the mountains, in the tree, in the hut, in the stone. Make the wave. See a beautiful landscape.